from Odisha. I used to cook Odia food. This is the ingredient I got from my home.
I am Abhipsa. I am an Odia homestay. I used to prepare Odia. I am having a cafe, a catering system, cloud kitchen of Odia cuisine. Normally we used to provide Odia sweets in particular. Odia meals also we provide.
To make the dish sweet, I am adding jaggery.
The inspiration behind starting Abhis Café is my passion for food. I love my food and my Odia culture and my Odia food. That's why I have started Abhis Café. I am very much passionate about my food which we eat from my childhood, and sweets particularly because I love having a very sweet tooth. I love sweets. That's why I specialize preparing sweets for my catering. Odia sweets are different from sweets of other parts of India, as it is made of mainly cottage cheese, chena, and it is very delicate in taste, and the flavors are very predominant, along with that very soothing too. And some home-based sweets like Kakara, Pitha, Rasabali, Khirsagar is very much popular among my customers. These are my best sellers. The role of food is preserving culture is very important, and personally believe that food can create and preserve our culture in every way. And Abhis Café is mainly serving Odia food, Odia sweets, authentic Odia sweets, which is not available at all at Chennai. So preserve my culture and my food history here. The Abhis Café is providing authentic Odia sweets. Here at MGR University, my experience is awesome. I love the institute and the kids also. All the students are very creative, informative, and very cooperative. They helped me in my work, and they also asked me different questions to know something more about my culture and my food. I liked it very much.